Here we have a box, and now I'm going to open it to see what is inside said box. Now I know it's a Pez dispenser, and so do you. That's why we're doing this video. All right, get that there. That is a Pez Pal. So we get the box out of here. All right, we're opening it with a nice plastic bag that I'm going to fill with a whole bunch of common Pez dispensers. Some bubble wrap, and here we have a nice little bow tie guy. Semi-translucent. So this is going to be from a Ringmaster. You'll see the 3.9 Austria. So it's going to have the full cheeks. That would be full neck area on a Pez Pal. So the question comes up, do you buy incomplete Pez and try to put them together? Yes and no. It takes a lot of time. You have a lot of placeholders. So this would just be a placeholder in a collection. But finding a Ringmaster mustache alone is very, 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 very hard to do. Similar to a nurse's hat, a doctor's reflector. But every once in a while, in a blue moon, it can be done. People have put together make-a-face Pez dispensers, one piece at a time. And I know somebody that's currently on their second one doing that. Mary Poppins, if you just have the head, will you eventually get the hat or the hair? Maybe. But you'll have to wait. And some people don't want to wait. Some people want it now. Now! No! Ah! But some people are patient. And they can sit there and they can have a placeholder. And they can enjoy the hunt. So it all depends on what type of person you are. If you enjoy the hunt, and you know eventually one day you will feel the satisfaction of completing the dispenser, go ahead. But if you're one of those people that need it now, no! Then yeah, that may not be the thing for you. But this is something I have, and hopefully I'll be able to help somebody out. That's what I try to do. So until next time, please leave your questions, comments, and concerns down below.